My name is Ville Tiainen and I'm from RAULI, and I am here to present our RAULI wall mounting solution. When you are using RAULI wall solution, you just lift the panels between the elements and you can move them freely. It's super easy to use and it is looking absolutely amazing. It's the favorite choice of the customer. All RAULI components are designed in Finland by Finnish solar panel installers. Our components are manufactured also in Finland in Orimattila, and we give them a 30 years guarantee. The material that we are using is Scandinavian high-strength steel, so our supply chain is quite short and we don't have any issues delivering the components. The reason why we are in here Intersolar is that we are looking for new customers and companies who would like to offer our components to their customers. We are especially looking for companies who are operating around Europe and especially in the German market.